Hello everyone, how's it going? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, let's talk about the best Acer Nitro XV272U calibration setting. Basically, to do this, you want to navigate through your OSD controls. Most likely, it's going to be at the back of your monitor or on the side panel. From there, you want to apply the following setting. For picture mode, you want to set it to standard, and for brightness, set it to 60 or 70. Of course, you can adjust this according to your room lighting. Now, you want to avoid high brightness to avoid eye strains. For contrast, you want to set it to 50 and the black boost to 0 or off. Now, for color, you want to set it through the customization tab, which is going to be user, and you want to apply the following value. For red, 100, green, 95, blue, 98. Basically, this is a good starting point for near 6500K white. For gamma, 2.2, and the color space is going to be sRGB for accurate colors. And for the last setting, which is for performance, you want to set it to the maximum, which is going to be around 144 or 170. The overdrive on normal, the adaptive sync is going to be turned on, and the VRB or blur reduction is going to be off. So those are the best calibration setting for your Acer Nitro monitor. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.